How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable wedding setting charts on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you find out if this is really a winning product or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding other winning products, and also when you want to spy on certain shops to see the products that are working for them and the products that are making them the most amount of money, and also to know the products that are not working in order to avoid them. And in the end, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products using pre-made templates and without even paying anyone to do that for you. So let's get started by showing you the examples. So here let's type printable wedding setting charts and then click on search. Give it a few seconds to load, and here we will be able to see all of the examples that are available in this product or in this niche. So here let's just wait for it to load. Then we will be able to see a lot of examples. So here all of the ones that we can see now are the ones that are sponsored by their sellers. As you can see, ad by Etsy seller. This one also is ad by Etsy seller, and we want to see the ones that are popular now, or the ones that can rank without sponsoring them. And most likely it will be these ones that are in the second line, because when you first search, they show in the first line they show the ones that are sponsored, but in the second line you will see the ones that deserve to be in the first line. But just give it a few seconds and the ones in the second line will pop up to the first line. As you can see right now, they switched places. As you can see, we have now the ones that are popular, or the ones that are mostly bought. As you can see, this one is Etsy's pick, Chloe setting chart template, editable, and it has a lot of reviews. Same thing with this one here, same thing with this one as well, greenery within setting chart template. So I guess I'm going to choose this one here to see this example and to spy on this product to see if it's really making money for the shop owner or not. So here let's take the name of the shop, which is Being Happy Prints. Let's take the name of the shop here, and then let's move on to the spying tool, which is everbee.io. Let's give it a few seconds to load. So here we are going to use this tool in order to see, or in order to confirm if this is a winning product or not. So let's wait for the tool to load. Click on sign up for free. Give it a few seconds to load. It's still loading. Let's wait for it a few seconds. And here we are going to use these tools that we have in here in order to see if this is a winning product. And the tool we are going to use today is the shop analyzer. So let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we are going to use the shop analyzer. Let's remove these reactions and let's choose the shop analyzer. As you can see, I've already searched some products here. Here let's type the name of the shop, which is Being Happy Prints. Then let's click on search and give it a few seconds to gather the data. Then we will be able to see the analytics that we need to confirm if this is a winning product that deserves to spend time on creating or not. So here the name of the product is greenery within setting. So let's scroll down until we find the product. We have graduation party welcome, newspaper, editable, and we have wildflower, elephant, editable. So this shop is focused only on digital products, and in a bit I'm going to show you how many sales they have made in over the months or over the years that they have created this shop in. And also we are going to see the date of this shop, when did this shop was created. So just give me a few seconds to find the product that I'm looking for, which is greenery within setting. And we have here greenery gold bridal show. That's not what we are looking for. We want the greenery within setting, greenery baby shower. Still not popping up. I think it was created a while ago. So here I'm going to show you first the shop's age. As you can see, this shop was created 65 months ago, and here you will be able to see the total shop sales. They have made 334,654 sales over 65 months. So if you can just multiply this number by 5 or by 2 or by 3, you will see that these people are making approximately $1 million. These people have made approximately $1 million in 65 months of age, because that's the age of this store or of this shop on Etsy. And they have made all of that only by using digital products. So here I need to find that product, or we can just choose a product in here. For example, we have greenery within invitation. We can check this product here. It costs $9 and it was created 28 months ago. One review per month, which means they are making 2 sales with this product per month, and they have made 99 sales over 28 months. It's not that good, or it's not that very winning product, but even though it's good to make a passive income like this every month without even checking the product every time, because in digital products you can just create the product, leave it there, and whenever someone comes to buy it, they will buy it immediately. So let's show you how you can create products like that on canva.com. So here let's type canva.com, and here let's give it a few seconds to load, and we are going to type the name of the product that we want to create on the search, and then click on search. Give it a few seconds to load, and here you will be able to see a lot of templates that you can use in order to create your own product. You can just make some changes, add your touch, and you'll have your own product ready to be listed on your shop in Etsy. As you can see, these are the examples. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel.